In this tutorial, I'll show you how we can create a vertical header on your WordPress website using Elementor. So instead of creating the header on the top, today we will create this header on the left side of our page with this logo and this vertical menu. And it's also fully responsive from our tablet and mobile devices. And here you can see on mobile it will be shown as the default header layout. So without further ado, let's see how can we create this cool vertical header. Here, first of all, to create our vertical header, we need to create a header template. So for this, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, and under templates, let's go to this theme builder option. And to create a new header, under this header option, we need to click on this plus icon. Let's close this. Here, first of all, to create a new section, let's click on this plus icon and let's take an one column layout. Inside this, I want to add our website logo. So go to this widget area and drag this image widget. Let's upload an image. I want to make its size too small, 45 pixel. And after that, I want to add a background color for this section. So go to the section settings, and from here, let's give it a color. Now after this logo, I also want to add a Nav Menu. So let's drag this Nav Menu widget right after this logo. And here you can see this menu I have also created from my WordPress dashboard menu option, which I've given the name to main menu, which I have also selected from this drop down option. So first of all, I want to remove this underline from this menu item. So make this pointer to the none. And then let's go to style, and from here I also want to change the color of this text and also change the screen hover color. From this typography, I also want to change its font and also change the size to 17 pixel. Now I want to make this header to a vertical header. So for this, let's go to this section settings, and under layout, I want to make its height to fit to screen. Then under advanced, we need to go to this custom CSS option. And by the way, to use this custom CSS option, you have to have the Elementor Pro. So if you didn't have Elementor Pro, you can quickly get this from my link on the description. So let's paste our code to here. And now you can see our header has become a vertical header on this left side. So if you look at this code, you can see here we have given its position to the fixed. So when you scroll down at the bottom of our page, it will be always sticked to this left side. And then here for 768 pixel or above, we have set this section's width to 100 pixel. So that means for our desktop and tablet devices, this section's width will be 100 pixel. And then for the mobile devices, it will become the default 100% width. Okay, now we will make this column to full height of this section. So for this section settings, we need to again go to this layout and make this column position to the stretch, and also need to make this vertical align to the space between. And then here to make this a vertical menu, we need to also add some custom CSS with this Nav Menu widget. So go to this custom CSS option and let's paste this code. Now we can see this vertical orientation. Here also for this code snippet, we have set the minimum width to 768 pixel. So this will be only applicable for our desktop and tablet devices. Now I want to make some adjustment of these menu items. So let's make this space between 12 pixel, and we can see it's not perfectly aligned to the center. So we will adjust this by using this horizontal padding. And lastly, I think we need some padding from the top and bottom. So go to again the section settings, and from the advanced tab, let's make some padding. And finally save this and click on add condition. And here I want to show this header for my entire website. So let's keep this on entire site and click on save and close. Now if we go to this page and refresh this, here we can see our this header, but it actually looks very weird. So what we need to do, we need to again go to here and for this section we need to increase the Z index, and let's again save this. Okay, now we can see our header properly. So by increasing this Z index, we actually place this header above this page content. But here you can see some of our content are actually goes behind this header. So for this we need to add some left margin for this page content. So I want to go to this page settings and go to this advanced tab, and let's paste this code snippet. Now everything looks perfect. So here for this header we have give its width to 100 pixel. That's why here we have also give our pages margin left to exactly 100 pixel. Okay, we also need to save this and go back to our header template, and let's take this from our tablet devices. So go to this responsive mode and go to this tablet view. Here everything looks okay, but we do not want to show our menu like this. So go to this Nav Menu option, change this breakpoint to the mobile. That means our Hamburger menu will be only shown for our mobile devices. Let's finally check this on mobile. Here I want to show this logo on this left and this menu icon on this right side. So for this, first of all, let's go to this logo settings, and from this advanced option I want to set its width to inline, and also do the same for this one. Here for this drop down I want to make this to full width. So go to here and turn on this option. Then I want to go to this column option and make this horizontal align to space between, and also make this vertical align to the middle to vertically center these widgets. But here you can see this logo is still not vertically aligned because Elementor by default adds some bottom margin for this widget. So we need to get rid of this by using some bottom negative margin. Let's make it to -20. Perfect. Then here I also want to add some gap on the left and right. So for this section, let's add some padding, 10 pixel, and let's finally design this Hamburger menu. So let's go to here. From this style, first of all I want to change this toggle color to this white, and for this drop down I also want to make some changes. Make this text color to white, this background color to black, give some distance, make some vertical padding for these items, and also want to add some padding at the top and bottom for this whole drop down. But here there is no padding option, so we will do this by using this border option. So make it to solid and set the border width from here, and also give the same black color as the background color. That looks perfect. Let's again save this. And finally I want to check this from this page. So let's refresh this. It looks good from desktop, and from the tablet device it also looks okay. For mobile it also looks good, but here some of this section goes behind this fixed top header. So we need to add some top margin for this section. So let's go to this navigator, and for this one, this section, we need to add some top margin, 83 pixel. That looks perfect. So that's how you can create this vertical header on your Elementor website. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.